Alright, the kids and I are fixing the tractor. What are we fixing? Okay, put the heavy one in. Okay, so we're going to put the gravel in here where some of the water in the wintertime runs off. As he's driving. Get some skid work done at the house here. So Ozzy's gonna try to brush in the grass seed. I'm gonna go around and pick up all the rocks and sticks with the lawn tractor. All right, we are going to reseed our lawn for probably the 5th time. We have hydro-seeded this lawn. We have spread beautiful topsoil over this lawn. I mean, we're going over top of sand, but it just hasn't happened. And the last 3 times we've seeded, we get like 50 birds come down, and they just have a heyday here. It doesn't matter if we rake it in or what. So we're gonna grass seed it again, and we're gonna lay straw down, and hopefully that straw will help. And then we're gonna do decoy, put some bird seed somewhere else to attract them over. So here we go. I've got straw, bird seed, grass seed. There we go. What do we got? Tall fescues, orchard grass, timothy, annual ryegrass, and white clover, and I don't know what that last one is. Perennial ryegrass. Okay, so this was like killing my arm. Once I get going, it's just, I don't know, I think it's wearing out because I've seeded the lawn 5 times. So I just screwed a little screw right in there. I'm gonna put that onto there and give her a spin, and we'll be good to go. So let's give it a whirl. Shaking really big. Everywhere where there's dirt. Put down some decoy, some bird seed. So we're gonna put it on the wall over here in plain sight for them. So here we are. I'll just put it across the top. What do you think? Birdseed decoy. Get her wet. Hopefully we're good. We'll report back. Hopefully this works. All right, we just finished mowing the lawn. This is the first lawn after about a week and a half, 2 weeks of when we spread all the hay and we planted the grass seed. So let's take a look. So the hay has added a lot of moisture to the ground. The grass is all sprouted. You can see it's really coming up in here, and it's a sand pit underneath here. So I've got about, 1.5 inches of topsoil, then it's sheer sand, and we're talking like play sand. So it dries out really quick. But it's coming along really good. The grass is coming in, so we'll keep on watering it and hopefully have a full lawn here soon.
And this is the end